Today's question is, how can I treat my snoring? Snoring is that loud and disturbing sound produced by someone sleeping as they attempt to breathe. If your airway becomes obstructed or the airway tissues relax too much, these tissues may begin to vibrate as you breathe, and this causes the loud snoring noise. During sleep, the tongue often relaxes and closes over the airway, and this too is a common cause of snoring. There are multiple treatment options for snoring, which include lifestyle modification and other self-help tips. There are medical and surgical options, and finally there are the snoring mouthpieces, which open and stiffen the airway during sleep, and this improves the breathing and helps stop the snoring. Please check at the MouthGuard store for tips on snoring prevention and our line of mouthpieces used to treat snoring. Thank you for visiting the MouthGuard store.